The job had its challenges, but I suppose the biggest thing for me was at the end of the job, when we look back, we were like, wow, you know, the hard work paid off. It was a beautiful job. We've got hoardings and segregation from the public that has its challenges every day, because it's a hoarding, you know, people lean against stuff, you know, people actively walk by, constantly checking the hoardings are in place, constantly checking the members of the public. There's no fear of them being injured.
Broken down into 6 phases. It's carrying out the project as a whole while it's phased, while working around the live environment and the live club.